Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the pTron Bassbuds Plus True Wireless earphones. We are looking at the front side of the packaging where we can see what the product looks like. You've got the brand name, the model name, and the fact that this is made in India emblazoned on the top right corner. On the right side as well as on the left side, you just see the brand name and the model name. Nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom, which brings us to the back side where we can see a couple of specifications. It's kind of difficult to read some of these things, so we'll just remove the plastic wrapping. Much clearer. Much clearer now. So this thing has a transmission range of 10 meters. The frequency response is between 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Driver size is 8 millimeters wide, and the batteries within each of the earbuds happen to have about 40 milliamp hours of charge. The case has 300 milliamp hours of charge. You get total playback time of 12 hours with the case, standby time of 80 hours, and to get all of that, you need to charge the device for 1.2 hours. The interface used is micro USB, and you get a host of color options. The one that you're getting will be tick marked or checked. We don't see anything like that over here. So we're going to just go ahead, unbox the device and figure out for ourselves. On the inside, you've got a note of thanks. And on the back, you've got a QR code which you can scan to get to the page where you need to register to get warranty coverage. As for the user manual, they've provided a QR code which you need to scan. You'll get to the website with the entire digital user manual. So you get the additional ear tips in small and large size. The medium ones come pre-installed on the earbuds. Then there's the charging cable, which uses a micro USB interface on one end and a USB type A interface on the other. The entire thing is about 30 centimeters long. The charging case has a metallic finish in the center with plastic on either sides. Once you open it, you can see a little digital indicator, which once you insert the earbuds, will give you the percentage charge left. So right now it's reading 76, and you can see that both devices have started charging by the red LEDs on either of them. The charging interface is on the back side, which is a micro USB interface, as we've seen with the charging cable. And that's about it for this unboxing of the pTron Bassbuds Plus True Wireless earbuds. Thank you for watching.